Okay, this is an unboxing of the Maytronics M600 or Dolphin M600 Robotic pool cleaner. Let's see what's inside. So we have a fancy booklet. With some stuff, instruction manual, I assume. This is probably part of the caddy. Okay, another piece of the caddy. Let's see here. Okay. So we have the control unit. Pretty large, beefy, has a nice handle on it. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, another part of the looks like the wheels are inside here. We have to cut those out. Could have used a knife, but alright. Wheels. Okay, then we have the unit itself. Oh, hold on. Here's our filters. These are, I believe, the fine filters. That should collect all the fine sand and dirt. Now this may be a two-hander. Here's the swivel cord. Okay, so we'll take that out, and then we have here's the shaky. Okay, another piece of the caddy. These are like a bunch of pieces. And finally, we have the cord with the swivel. Have to cut that off. Oh, here we go. And the swivel cord. So that's it. Oh, I guess we should open this. So there we have M600. It's pull the cord out so I can. With the all those filters may be extra filters. Looks like replacement. It's nice. Bottom. Yeah, that's the unboxing.